Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we are going to understand how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for social media marketing agency. So here let's suppose that I have a social media marketing agency and to promote it, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So here my trigger application will be Facebook and my action application will be WhatsApp. So here to send the WhatsApp message, I am using Vati. So if you want to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen. In this video, we are going to understand how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for social media marketing agency. So here let's suppose that I have a social media marketing agency and to promote it, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. So now in order to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I'm using Pabbly Connect. So this here is the home page of Pabbly Connect, and now as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm signing in. So now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I'm going to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads, and on my left hand side you can see that these are the folders which I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads, and now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now you can see I've arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for social media marketing agency. So here in my trigger window, as I'm promoting my social media marketing agency with the help of Facebook lead ads, so Facebook lead ads will be my trigger application. And now the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I'm going to receive a new lead, then this workflow is going to run automatically. So here, now moving to my action window, as I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to the Facebook leads. So here to send the WhatsApp message, I'm going to use Vati. And now the action event will be to send template message. So here you can see that I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead. So now in order to do this, I will go to my trigger window, and then firstly I need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I'm simply going to click on connect with Facebook lead ads, because in one of the tabs I have logged into my Facebook account. So here I'm going to click on connect. And the authorization is successful. So here you can see that Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads is successfully connected. So now moving to the page and the lead gen form. So here I need to select the page that I've created for my agency and the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So this here is the Facebook page for my social media marketing agency, that is by the name of Sharks Media Agency. So firstly in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to search for my page as Sharks Media Agency. Here it is. Once after selecting my page, now I need to select the lead gen form associated with my page. So here in Meta Business Suite, these are the lead ads forms. So here you can see that I want to use this lead ad form that is by the name of Sharks Media Contact Form, and this is how the form looks like. So as per the name, that is Shark Media Contact Form. So here in Pabbly Connect, from this lead gen form drop down, I'm going to select this lead gen form. So here after selecting the page and the lead gen form associated with it, here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as I did that, here you can see it is waiting for a webhook response, which means now I have to do a test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now to do a test submission, here in this new tab, I'm going to take you to Meta for Developers. I will go to the page. And here in Meta for Developers, I will go to My Apps. And in My Apps, I will go to Tools. And under Developer Tools, I will go to this Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So this here is the Lead Ads testing tool, and this tool is going to test our integration. So here you can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. So now from this page drop down, I'm going to select my page as Shark Media Agency, and now the form will be Sharks Media Contact Form. And now after selecting the page and the lead gen form, here I'm going to click on Preview Form. So this here is the lead gen form, and I've filled in the details of email, full name, phone number and the city. So here I'm going to click on Next, and now I'm going to click on Submit. It says, thanks, you're all set. Your test lead has been sent. That means the test lead which I've just created would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So taking you to Pabbly Connect. So here you can see that I have received a response. This here is the email, this here is the full name, phone number, city, created date and time, along with some other details. So that means the test lead which I have just created is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So now here, as I've got the test lead details in Pabbly Connect, now I want to send an automated WhatsApp message. So in order to do that, I need to establish a connection between Vati and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on Connect. And now to add a new connection, I need to mention the API endpoint and the access token. So this here is the instruction given which will help you to find the access token and the API endpoint. So I'm going to take you to my Vati account, and here in Vati I will go to API docs. And in API docs, this here is the API endpoint. I'm going to copy it, and here in Pabbly Connect I'm going to paste it. So now for access token, here I'm going to copy the access token, and here in Pabbly Connect I'm going to paste it. So once I've mentioned the API endpoint and the access token, here I'm going to click on Save. And you can see that Vati and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to WhatsApp number. So here I need to enter the number. So in order to do that, I'm going to use the method of mapping. So basically mapping is to insert data from previous step. So as I've received the response from Facebook lead ads, so here I'm going to map the number. Once this is done, now moving to template. Here I need to choose a template that is to be sent. So taking you to Vati, and I will go to templates, and here in templates, I'm going to search for the template by the name of Facebook lead ads. And this here is the template. The name of the template is Facebook lead ads, category is marketing, language is English US, the broadcast title goes as welcome message, and here is the body content. So it goes as, hello, thank you for your response. Our team member is soon going to connect with you and will share the exciting offers with you on the given contact details. Thank you. So here after hello, this here is a custom variable for name. So that means after hello, I want to mention the name of the Facebook lead. So this name will keep on changing accordingly as per the new responses will be received. So as the name of this template is Facebook lead ads, so here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the template as Facebook lead ads. Here it is. And now moving to broadcast name. So as it was mentioned in Vati template, that will be welcome message. So I'm going to mention the same over here as well. So now moving to custom parameters. So as I've mentioned that in the template after hello, I want to mention the name of the lead. So here I'm going to follow the same format, and now I'm going to paste it. So this custom parameter is for name. So here I'm going to mention name, and the value will be the name of the Facebook lead. So I'm going to map the name of the Facebook lead. So here you can see that I have mapped the details. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So now here I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. So here you can see that I have received a response, and this here is a positive response. So that means an automated WhatsApp message would have been sent to the test lead. So let me take you to the WhatsApp message. So this here is the WhatsApp message. Here you can see the broadcast title as welcome message, and after hello, this here is the name of the lead. This here is the body content, and it ends with thank you. That means an automated WhatsApp message has been successfully sent to the test lead which I have just created. So this integration and automation is a successful one. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then an automated WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead by using Vati. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.